Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about logarithms. What are logarithms? Logarithms are operations which helps us to do complicated calculations. Logarithms are abbreviated as log. Let's try and understand the concept of log. Say for example, we know 9 can be written as 3 square. And this is called the exponential form. The same thing can be written as like this. This is called your logarithmic form. And it is read as log of 9 with base 3 is equals to 2. I repeat, it is read as log of 9 with base 3 is equals to 2. So this is the base. And this is called the logarithmic form. Now let us look at some of the properties of log. Properties of logarithm. Let's look at number 1. If a to the power n is equals to b, then log of b with base a is equals to n. Look at this. Log of b and a comes down as the base and it becomes equals to n. Number 2. Now, a is a positive real number except 1. Why except 1? Because if a is 1, then 1 to the power anything will give you 1 only. Okay, that's why a is a positive real number but except 1. Then a to the power n will also be a positive real number for all rational values of n. So for all rational values of n, a to the power n will also be a real positive number. So b will also be a real positive number. That means log is defined for positive real numbers only. Next, number 3. Log of 1 with base a is equals to 0. Since a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Again, a is a real number except 1. Similarly, log of a with base a is also equals to 1. Since a to the power 1 is equals to a. Number 5. If two logs are equal with the same base, for example, if log of x with base a is equals to log of y with base a, the bases are same and they are equal, then x is always equals to y. Number 6. If the base of a log is 10, then they are known as common logarithms. They are known as common logarithms. Number 7. If no base is given, for example, you have log of 3, then this is same as log of 3 with base 10. What does it mean? That means if there are no bases given, then the base is always 10. Now let us look at some easy problems on logarithms. The first one, convert the following to logarithmic form. So you have been given 5 square is equals to 25. So we have to write it in logarithmic form. This is in exponential form. Then we can write log of 25. So this I'm writing as log. Then this 5 comes down as the base and that becomes equals to 2. So we read it as log of 25 with base 5 is equals to 2. Let's take another one. 10 to the power minus 2 is equals to 0.01. Then we first write log of 0.01. 10 comes down as the base and that becomes equals to minus 2. Let's take third one. 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 by 9. So we write log of 1 upon 9 with base 3 is equals to minus 2. Now let's look at another type of problem. In this case, you are asked to convert the following into exponential form. It has been given in logarithmic form. You have to write it in exponential form. Then how do you write this one? We simply write this number 32. Then take this 2 up and write 5 as the exponent. So 32 is equals to 2 to the power 5. You can cross verify by taking the 2 to the power 5 and checking whether it's equals to 32 or not. Another one, you have to write first 1 upon 3 is equals to 3 goes on the other side and minus 1 goes to the power. Simple. Let's look at the last one. Log of 0.25 with base 2 is equals to minus 2. So we write 0.25 is equals to 2 to the power minus of